the spot.
Hiding underneath our couch.
There is an evil cat underneath the couch. Where'd she go?
This cat.
She's right there.
It's a feral.
Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. It's just like.
I'm just joking. It's Luna. You know Luna.
Oh my God! You see it? It just climbed up. Look at it. It's right there.
God. She's so cute.
It's like.
I guess you can see we are cat geeks.
Hold on. Let's take away the light. Ready?
Cat geeks.
Look.
Cat geeks. Do you think that we're just, being mean to the cat?
No, we're not. This isn't mean because this is just.
Oh my God!
She's evil!
She just scratched you.
I'm fine. Oh, she's right there.
Will, turn the flashlight on. It's off.
She's right there. Oh, sure.
Oh my God!
She's right there.
Shoot! She's huge.
You may not be able to say anything, but here it is with the flashlight. Where'd she go? She's gone. Oh my God!
No. Oh no! Oh no!
They're terrifying.
Oh no!
Oh, I see.
Close all the doors. Cat alert! Cat alert! Cat alert!
Where'd she go?
Hey, rampaging! Not really, but cat on the loose.
Evil cat on the loose here. Are you guys not seeing her? Tell me if you see her, please, in the comments below. Where is she?
Oh my God! Oh, she escaped.
Where'd she go?
She's gone. Literally gone.
There's no way she can escape though.
No.
She's obviously.
I blocked it off.
Yeah, I know.
There's no way that she could have got out of here.
Is she under the couch? She might be under the couch.
Ow.
What?
She got out.
What do you mean she got out?
Oh, she kicked it over.
No, she didn't.
Over there, she kicked it over. Look.
What?
She had kicked the wall over.
No, it's still there. Jake's still there. I'm sorry about all the darkness.
Right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
We have a sighting! Where'd she go?
Right there, last. Right there. Oh my God.
Oh, she's right there.
Kitten sighting. Kitten sighting.
We have found the sighting of the rare. There she
Also
is.
known as the Lunasaurus. 18 billion. I just ate a plant for no straight reason.
Ah! 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 She's right there. So cute. Just, are you okay? Come on, we gotta make sure she's not an evil cat. Come here.
We know her.
She's going this way. I see her. Oh my God. Ah! Ah! You got her.
Oh my God. The lights are going weird.
No, you were doing that.
Oh my God. Ah! Lights went off. Get here, God.
She's right there. Someone help. She's right. She's coming. Where's she going? She's right here.
What's that? Oh my God.
Turn on the lights.
Turn on the lights, okay. All alert. Lights on. Lights on immediately. All alert. All alert. Lights on.
We gotta grab her. Turn them on. We gotta grab her.
Where is she?
I don't know. Oh, where'd she go?
Let me check.
There's a phone back there.
Where's the phone?
It's down here.
It's not behind the couch.
Oh, she's right there. She's right there. Oh my God.
Oh, take it that.
Cats. Guys, we gotta catch her. She's gonna try and go for the flashlight. There she is. Did you see her? You guys see her? Where'd she go? Oh, she's coming. She's coming out. She's left the nest.
Grab her.
And she's going back in the jumpy hole. I see her. She hasn't left yet. You record.
No, I'll grab it.
I'm gonna catch the rare
Oh,
beast.
I got the rare beast. We got it. We got the rare beast. Oh, caught it. We've caught the rare jumping cat.
This is great. Explanation. It's over.
It's over. It's all over.
Oh no, she got away. She got away. She fun.
Oh no, she's going back in.
She's going back in. She's in
Why
the
is there a
nest.
hole in the couch? Oh my god! She clawed a hole through the couch. I got it.
Got the kitten.
All right.
Oh my god.
I'm down.
That kitten. Oh, grab her and put her back.
Alright,
Put her back in the nest. Give her a bobber. Oh,
Distraction.
and okay. All right, everyone. This was the most terrifying day of our lives. The rare beast is now very tame, a little playful.
And Will, show them this.
Oh, and we got a new tank.
And we're gonna make it an African cichlid tank.
I do not know what that is. So bye bye,
If you
guys.
don't know what it is, look it up.
Right, so this was Animal Gamers, so that's, I forgot what her name was. And so,
Leave comments below.
yes, and I hope you enjoyed this. I really did. This was really fun to play with Luna. She was actually doing that by herself. We weren't making her jump at us.
Oh my god.
She was
Let's
actually
see her.
jumping.
Oh, she's so cute.
Ow.
Ow.
And go.
Ow. She
So
bit
that's
me.
all for today. I hope you guys like it. We might make a part 2. This was fun.